And we're back. Okay, in this video we're going to continue adding things to the game, little embellishments to make it a more enjoyable, playable game. And here we're going to add sounds. So we've got two sounds that are part of your course assets. One is called pop and one is called ping. And these are just sounds that I made, well, one was a popping sound with my mouth, and the other one was hitting an empty glass with a table knife to make a ping sound. So you can make these sounds anywhere. You can buy them actually if you want professionally made Foley sounds. There's all kinds of things you can do with sounds. We're just going to get as tiny a toe in the water as possible to do this. Later on in future courses, we can kind of go crazy with sounds because there's an awful lot you can do with them. But for right now, we're just going to do the minimum to get a sound into the game when we fire a projectile and another one when we hit the target. So let's get to it. Okay, so under Assets menu, Import New Asset. We're in our game assets. We've got our two sounds, pop and ping. There they are, ping, pop. Just grab one of them, import, and there it is in a project. Go get the other one, import new asset, ping, import, and there they are, ping, pop. Okay, so now we need to add them to our code, and the first sound is going to happen in this fire projectile script, so we'll just open it. And here it is. We've got it. The first thing we need to do is add an external variable so we can link our sound. So var, and we can call this pretty much anything. I'm just going to call this first one pop. And the variable type is audio clip. Okay, now we come down here inside our if test. Just make a couple of lines here, make a little elbow room, and we're going to set this up. And this is probably the most simple way you can do this, which is audio.play one shot, and open parentheses, tell it what sound, semicolon, all looks good. We'll save it. Close the editor. Okay. Now, the fire projectile is attached to the camera, so there it is. And we don't have the sound attached, so we come in here, attach our audio clip. Now it's attached. Now, you'd think that would be all you need to do, but there's one more thing, and that is that you have to tell the system that the camera might also be the source of a sound. Now, the way we do that is to make sure that the camera is selected, and then come to the component menu and choose audio, audio source. And there it is down here. And there's all kinds of details with this. There's things you can do, but we'll talk about those in a future course, but there's really only one we need to talk about right now, and that's here. We open this up, right here, play on awake. Need to uncheck that. What that would do is play the sound as soon as this started. So let's save the scene and the project. We can run it, and there you go. Okay, that's enough of that. Okay, now we're ready for our other sound. Now the other sound, which is ping, is part of the Kablooey script. So we'll open that up and make sure we're on that. And then create our external variable so we can link the sound to the script. So var, and call it anything you want. We could call it ping. I'm going to call this hit target, and colon, and of course it's our same audio clip variable type, and semicolon. And now we're going to use a slightly different bit of code to play this, just to kind of show you that. This has to do with the fact that this is going to happen at a distance, so we're going to change things around a little bit. Audio source dot play clip at point. This is going to say, this is like the ventriloquism thing. It's telling us where we're going to play this. So there's our sound is the first parameter, and the second parameter is the camera, but we need a little bit more information here. So camera.main, and then the camera is potentially moving around, so transform.position. Okay, so this ping sound will play wherever the camera happens to be. So we'll save that and close it. And now we need to attach the sound. So go to the bullet. There it is. Hit target. Attach our ping sound. That's good. We'll save our scene and let's run it. And great. Okay, so that's it. We've got those working, and we'll see you in the next video.